Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shauna with the Homestead. So today is the following day after the video that I shot with the garden update, the greenhouse update, and I up-potted some seeds since. So my sweet peas, I up-potted those because they sprouted from being in the refrigerator, and I put them out in the greenhouse. They sprout in darkness. Some of them did sprout, of course, but I buried them. They prefer darkness until they actually break the soil surface. So those are in the greenhouse now. I will show you that in just a second. I potted up some other seedlings that sprouted in the refrigerator, and those are going to stay in the house under a grow light. So this is the sweet peas. I'm going to put them in the lower part of the shelves in the greenhouse because they prefer darkness, and I do want them to acclimate to the cold, so that way when I put them out early spring they don't have any shock. I'm going to try to do that with a lot of my seedlings. I would prefer for them to harden off to temperature in the greenhouse, and then I have a shade cloth here and I can take the shade cloth off to give them a little bit more sun. But I would prefer them to toughen up on their own out here for the flowers and the plants that will do that. So cool weather flowers and plants, those are the ones that I'm gonna try to get out here in the greenhouse, and I'm gonna take care of some of that today.